currently on our way to pick up a Facebook Marketplace deal, and honestly, I am super freaking excited about this one, guys. As you may know, we collect the Wii U, and we are trying to get every single Wii U game for the North American collection. And because of this buy, we are going to be one step closer to completing it.
This is what we came here for. So this is the Wii stuff. I think we paid like $105 for all these. NES Remix Pack, Super Smash Bros. This game right here, guys. This has been one that we've been on the hunt for a while now. This game is skyrocketed in value. Worth about $150 complete right now. Game and Wario. There's a little bit of a wear.
Yeah, she just needs to be cleaned, that's it.
Cleaned up a little bit, but super stoked to add it to the collection. Pokken Tournament with the Amiibo card included. I did not see the Amiibo card, so I'm guessing.
We have about 20 of these Pokken Tournaments.
Splatoon, nothing crazy, and then Mario and Sonic at the Olympic. Winter games, all this stuff will be going to the personal collection.
Once we get home, guys, we are going to go input every single Wii U game that we have into price charting to give you guys kind of an idea of how many games we have. And honestly, to give us an idea, because we have no idea, we've never counted, we don't even know the value of our collection at the moment.
Keep in mind, guys, we have a ton of duplicates, so it'd be kind of cool to see the total value of our Wii U, Wii U collection. Hey guys, welcome to our cleaning channel. We feel like since we've hit 15,000 subs that we can just kind of start and branch off a new channel. So this will be our cleaning channel where we'll restore old kiosk and do like laundry and dishes and that kind of thing.
Yeah, so if you're interested, subscribe to our OnlyFans while you're at it.
Yep. Where you can see me clean Amy's butthole with my tongue.
Look at this. All right, so that little side, I'm not sure if you can see how nasty and raunch that is, but then look at that side. Look at the difference. Oh, she's gorgeous already.
I just need some handles on the bottom. Just give me something. Nintendo, Jesus.
Yeah, screw you, Nintendo.
So guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there's no ledge or anything on the base of this. So I'm literally just like bear pawing it. As you can see, my hand's all destroyed. But I'm just bear pawing it. Straight grip.
It's hot. It's hot.
This thing is heavy as shit, dude.
It is.
You'll see how she was just fit through that little hole. My ass stuck.
Y'all, it is hotter than Satan's butthole out here, alright? Let me tell you what. Whew. God damn it. Alright.
Okay guys, so obviously this is that third-party sign. This is a sign, it's not attached.
Oh, this half of the LEDs isn't working though.
That's right, we can always fix that. Here's the Wii U kiosk. So it does work. The Link's system in there works.
Oh, there it is. Fixed it.
So there she is.
Very nice.
Beautiful blue LEDs on the side. You got some lights right here to show off the system.
We finally got everything wired through. We lost the original remote for this TV, so we had to reset this darn remote, and it works now, so it's great. So now we have to actually turn on the Wii. Do you want to go ahead and move this?
Alright guys, now moment of truth. Let's just see if everything works, because
we could have hooked something up wrong, and I don't know. You know us, guys. Alright. Oh! It's not done yet. Wait, guys, don't look! You close your eyes. Right now. Look at it! Is there a game in there, dude?
bro, no way.
Is this the HD one? We freaking needed this one. We have the case, but we didn't have the game.
That's Twilight Princess
I'm
HD?
pretty sure. It might be the wrong one that I'm thinking of, but... Am I right? I'm freaking right!
Bro,
Dude, we just got it for free.
Legit needed this. We had the case that we got off, I think it was a Facebook deal as well, where the guy said he didn't know where the game was, so I was like, I'll just take the case anyways.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you complete a, I don't know, it's probably like 50, 60 bucks right now. I ain't mad about that.
No. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful. All right, what's the first game you want to put in there? Just for like a little display.
Display-wise?
I would say do the Devil's Third, but that's sealed.
Yeah.
Just open it up on camera real quick.
Let's do some Shantae.
Shantae? Okay.
Do some Shantae, baby. Bro, we got a Wii U kiosk, baby, and it works.
Oh, where's the topper? Huh?
Now, this thing we have to play around with.
Just try and get her up there. Yep. Yep. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's real pretty, boys.
Yep, I like that.
Mmm.
Damn.
Mmm.
Oh, press A. All right, I will. You ain't got to tell me. Thank you. Come on.
Guys, we literally have $100 invested into this whole thing. That's like what makes us even just.
No, actually, now we have $113 because we got to go get tools.
Yeah.
That's it.
If y'all are curious, this thing takes a T25.
Yeah.
This little thing to get some screws out.
Okay.
Bro, that's sick. We still need the acrylic case that goes around the system, so we still need that. Don't have that yet.
But we have someone working on that.
And we need to do some Goo Gone or something to get the sticky residue off. But because we paid so little for this system, or for this kiosk, we might as well like kind of just make it our own.
I mean, she's cute.
Can I throw a Godzilla sticker right there?
I really wish.
The C word right
Give
there.
me a second.
It's right here.
Oh. Okay, guys. So, my cat, Misty, decided to be a jerk and put this sticker in the toilet not once, but twice. And I really wanted to put this on the kiosk, but I can't because,
Can you undo this
as
one?
you can see...
Here's my sticker. It's Godzilla.
No, it does still work!
I told you it would. But hey, that one would look good right in the dead center of that.
Don't be a C word, alright. Now I know people are gonna roast us in the comments. Why would you put stickers on there? That's a Wii U kiosk, guys. Don't you know that you're devaluing it?
Yeah.
And you know what I have to say to that? Those people that comment those things?
How neat is that?
What color is your Wii U kiosk?
Did you only pay $100 for your Wii U kiosk? I think not.
That's like Andrew saying, what color is your Bugatti?
What color is your Bugatti?
What color is your Wii U kiosk? So we've already actually inputted all these games in here, so here's a little rendition of us faking a time lapse.
You know they can't see your face, right?
Well done already.
I know, I've done it 3 times. Wow. I just pulled this one out too.
Alrighty guys, we just finished price charting all this Wii U stuff. The total value of this Wii U collection is a dick hair over $5,000. So about $5,055 to be exact. You can see the screenshot right here.
Did you say dick hair?
Yeah. Just a smidge over.
A pube?
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Bro, did you just shit your pants when you were talking to me? Don't ever... Here's some interviewing tips. Don't ever shit your pants while you're asking me questions on camera. because I'm not gonna be able to focus. The only thing I heard was. If you all thought this Wii U stuff was cool content, that's kind of like what we do on our channel. We just go, we buy video games for cheap, sell them for a profit. We do Walmart clearance, which is actually coming up, so you might want to subscribe because we have 3-cent video games coming up. And if you want to be the first to hear about it, it's on the channel. Alright guys, hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, we'll be chatting.